Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, together we are going to make a healthier version of the popular candy bar Bounty. It's super easy to make. You need a very few ingredients. You need chocolate, coconut oil, some shredded coconut, some agave syrup, some vanilla extract and salt. And I'm going to write down all the quantities of the ingredients in the description box. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to melt the chocolate. I will be using a simple tempering method called seeding method. So in order to do that, I'm taking 1/3 of the chocolate into another bowl. And I'm putting the chocolate on simmering water. You don't want it to boil. You want a warm water because chocolate actually tends to burn very easily. So it's going to be on simmer and you have to make sure that the water in the bottom of the pan doesn't touch the bowl of chocolate. And I'm going to let it melt there. And in the meantime, I'm taking a mini food processor in front of me and I'm adding the coconut, agave. You can definitely use some maple syrup or some honey instead of agave. It doesn't make a big difference. Coconut oil, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of salt to balance everything out. And I'm going to process this in my processor here until everything comes together. So after the food processor, it should look like this. It should be something that you can shape with your hands. And to make it easier to shape with my hands, I'm going to wet them a little bit, like so. And I'm taking, I will say about a walnut size, and I'm really pressing it here. You gotta really press it so that it sticks together. And I'm putting on parchment paper. And if you do have a small ice cream scoop, it also works great. Then they'll be more even. I can't find mine, so I have to do like this. And after shaping them all, I'm going to put these in the freezer and let them freeze for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to cover them up with some chocolate and that will be that. So the chocolate, as you can see, is melted now. I'm adding the 1/3 that I've put on the side into the melted chocolate. And while stirring continuously, I'm going to temper the chocolate so that it will look much nicer when it's set. And if you do want to learn more about chocolate, you can watch my video. It's called Chocolate 101, and I've showed you there various techniques of tempering. And if you want to, use chocolate more in your kitchens, you want to make chocolates, make sure to watch it as well. And it's done. And we're good to cover the little Bounty balls with some chocolate. So as you can see, right now they're very hard. And I'm putting it in the tempered chocolate, giving it a mix with my spoon, taking it out, let the extra chocolate drop, and putting it onto a parchment paper. After I covered these with chocolate, I put them in the fridge for 5 more minutes so that it's faster for chocolate to set because we are in summer. It's really hot in my kitchen right now. And they look gorgeous. And now the only thing left for me to do is just bite into this. Very tasty. Really gives you the feeling of Bounty. But as you can see, it has much less ingredients, it is much more healthy. So make sure you get into our kitchen and try this now. And if you do try, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I share a lot of delicious and easy recipes, so please do subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye.